Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can highlight active row and active column based on the selection as you see here, and the active cell has a different color as you see. If you see it cell full, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. For example, I have this data, just select the range. Then from conditional formatting, new rule, use formula to determine which cells to format. I have these two rules. First, I add this formula, control copy. Don't worry about the formula. I put the formula in the description of this video. Control copy, then insert the formula. Select the color. For example, I select this color. Okay, good. Okay. Now, again, from conditional formatting, new rule. Use a formula. This time, bring back the notepad. You don't need notepad. Just look at the description of the video. You find the codes. Control copy, paste it to here. Then select another color. For example, this color. Okay, good. You see it doesn't move. To fix this problem, just from the sheet, right click, view code, bring worksheet, just insert Target.calculate. Close it. This time, you see how it works. That's all. Have a nice time.